Predicting maintenance needs is very important. So what to track and monitor? So are you watching your repeated failure points? If you're not, you should be. Because the first question that we should be asking you is where are you seeing failures? What's going wrong in that piece of equipment, in your unit, in your plant? What wearing are you seeing? Are you tracking wear in certain areas? So where we've got separators or we've got screens, we build a lot of screens. We build a lot of separating screens, a lot of filter screens. Those wear. What does our wear rate look like? So then we can predict if we're losing so much year over year, we can predict a lifespan for that. So instead of getting to failure, we actually know when it's going to fail. And then let's back up, put a safety factor on it, and say that's when we should replace it. Are you seeing from a process standpoint changes in output? And so if we're seeing changes in output anywhere or changes in process conditions, we've got a problem on internals. Pretty much that's what we see. If we can see that, it could be a mechanical problem. It could be a process problem. It could be we're trying to push it too much. There's lots of reasons why. But if we have that data to work with you, we can then say, okay, yeah, we would expect to see that. You're trying to get 10% more throughput on these trays and you're flooding them. That's not going to work. We got to do something different. Or the process conditions of that mold sieve won't allow that. But I bet we can change something and maybe we can't. Or maybe we need to add a sieve or whatever it may be. And then are you looking at all the technologies to properly monitor your equipment? We see across the board, and this is from refining, petrochem, ethanol, doesn't matter. We see across the board different levels of sophistication of monitoring equipment. What I will tell you is we've seen many times over that if you're properly monitoring it, you can drastically predict failure or you can drastically predict maintenance needs way ahead of what you would without properly monitoring it.